Here is the Jwb Steakhouse. We'll be here tonight at 5 p.m. Here are the elevators all lit up. And a lookout all the way down to the atrium. And here is the Hemisphere Dancer. That was Jimmy Buffett's plane. The original one is over in Orlando at City Walk. Hi everybody, we are here at the Jwb Steakhouse and we have a 5 o'clock reservation. Right here we have a beautiful window seat. People are outside. Here is the wine menu. Starters. I think I'm going to get the burrata for the soup, onion soup, and then I will get the pan roasted chicken with the garlic pan drippings, and for dessert, key lime pie. Here's my appetizer. This is the burrata. And Glen got shrimp. Looks yummy. No, thank you. How beautiful is this? We both got the onion soup. It looks amazing. It's hot, hot, hot. Enjoy. Our dinner has arrived. I got the chicken. Thank you.
Spinach? Oh, that's yours.
That's fine. Yeah, we'll rearrange it. Don't worry. Glen got the spinach.
And I'll be back for the fries, eh?
Yes, please. Could we get? I'd like another. Could I get a glass of Chardonnay, and Glen would like another glass?
No.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so what kind of steak did you get?
Ribeye.
Glen got a ribeye with spinach, broccoli. I got mac and cheese, and there's Parmesan fries coming, and chicken with garlic drippings. Our key lime pie has arrived. Look at that. And Glen got the same thing. We are back at the steakhouse again for our second night, and here is the menu: beef tartare, braised pork belly, wagyu meatballs, shrimp cocktail, smoked pickled oysters, beets, burrata. That's what I got last night. I also got an onion soup. There's lobster bisque, Caesar salad, bib, and walnut. What I got last night was the pan roasted chicken. with garlic pan drippings, and it was the best. That's what I'm going to get tonight. For the table sides, they have garlic butter broccoli, sauteed asparagus, Parmesan fries, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese. I got the mac and cheese also last night. And the desserts, coconut island crema, banana cream pie, fruits. And here is the wine list if you're interested. We have the same seat that we did last night right at the window. We are a little bit early. They do open at 5:30 and it's about 4:45 right now. So we're just going to sit, relax, take our time. Hi, good morning. We are at the Islander. We came for the sparkling wine brunch, and here we are. It opens 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and here is the menu. Okay, this is the second floor of the dining rooms. Downstairs they have the main dining room. This one here is an upcharge if you'd like to come in any night, and they have white tablecloths here. So here we go. Ready? Here we go. We're going to go in for our brunch. Hi, good morning. How are you? Two, please.
Room number, please.
It's 1182. 1182.
Glen and Mary.
Yes.
Kindly wait on the side, ma'am, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. So this is it. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, thank you very, very much. I'll go over there. Thank you. Thank you. We have a window seat. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So how this works is when you first come in, they give you a glass of mimosa. And here is the menu again. So the light fare here, it's unlimited. The cereal, the pudding, the oats, the grits. The brunch, you get to pick one of each. And the lunch, you get to pick one of each. And what he said is that the portions are huge. So, and if you have the drink package, then you can just use that after you one drink here. So it's only one mimosa, and then anything else, if you don't have the drink package, you do have to pay for it. So let's do cheers. Cheers, everyone.